So in this section we will see how we can use this WYSIWYG editor to edit our post. So what is WYSIWYG editor? WYSIWYG editor means all of these buttons you can see here on line 1 and line 2, which help you to format your content. So I have a sample text, so I will just simply copy and paste it here. So I already have copied that content. Now before I paste it, I have these two options how I wanna paste the content. The first one is, it says paste as plain text. What that do is, when you copy your content from Word file, it will also copy all the formatting. So if you wanna remove the formatting and just wanna place as a plain text, so simply click this T button here. It will open a new window and hit enter paste. Click insert. So as you can see, the content has been pasted here, copied here. So the next button is paste from Word. So if you wanna keep all the Word formatting, and then just simply click this paste from Word button, and you can import text of your Word file as well as the formatting features of your Word file. So now let's start exploring this WYSIWYG editor. First one is first button enable you to bold your words. If you wanna make your words bold, select the words and click bold. And the next one is, if you wanna make the content italic. Next one is, if you wanna make the content strike through. And next one is, if you wanna create a unordered list. Unordered list by means is, if you wanna list it with the dots instead of that counting, simply click this button here. Now you can see it as it put these dots and make a list. And if you wanna make it ordered list, just simply click this paragraph and make it as a list which is in order, like 1, 2 and so on. So the next one is block quote. If you wanna put quotation marks in front of the text, just simply click this block quote. Now next three button is how you wanna align your text, or this also helps to align your images. When you add image to your content, then you can align your image left, right, or in center. So we will talk about how to add images or media in our next video. So the next one is linking, insert link to your text. So to insert a link, simply select the word and click this link button here and enter the link URL and title of the link. Entering the title of the link is always good for your search engine optimization. So now next option we have is if you want to open that link in a new window or in the same window. So always try to open a link in new window if it's external, so that user also have access to your website. Also add a link. Now you can see the color of the word has been changed according to your CSS file. So if you want to break this link, just simply select the word and hit this button here next to the linking button where it says unlink. So the next option you have is page break. Page break means when you hit this button, it will insert a page break. That means when a visitor visit your website, he or she will only see an intro text, and when to read that whole text, he or she need to click that title to see whole text. So to inserting a page break, you need to choose which is your intro text. For now we just choose these 2 paragraphs or 2 lists as intro text. Insert a page break after this. So just simply click this button. So you can see here it's a page break has been entered, and at the front end you will see in a different way. So the next one is proofreading. I mean, when you click this button, it will enable a proofreading which helps you to improve your content by removing all the grammar or spelling mistakes. So the next one is toggle button, and by clicking this it will enable your WYSIWYG editor and it will go to full screen mode. And the next is show hide kitchen sink. What that means is when you click this button here, the bottom line will disappear, and you click it back, it will come back again. Now the next one is format, how you want to format the line, I mean words or sentence of your content. For example, select this content here. Now you see this is in a paragraph tags. So if you have some knowledge about tags or coding, you might know that what is paragraph or heading tags and so on. So this is as a paragraph, and now if you can choose here, you want to make it a paragraph address pre-formatted, or you want to make it a heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, or up to heading 6. So if you click heading 3, so it will put heading 3 tags in front of this text. So to have a look of this formatting feature, go to HTML mode. Here you can see H3 tags in front of that text, and here is a closing tag. See it open up here, H3, and it close up to here. So you can switch between visual and HTML mode. So if you know anything about coding, or if you wanna do it manually, you can do it here. So we go back to our visual. So next one is if you wanna if you bold your content by clicking this button here, you can underline your content by clicking this button here. For example, select this text, click this button, it will make it underline. So the next one is to justify your text. What that means is you can see on the right hand side the space we left behind after this sentence. To remove this thing, just simply select the text and click this button here, justify. So it will align all the text, and which looks better than before, right? The next feature you have is to select the color of your text. First select the text and then select the color. Default color is black, so you can change it to anything, or red. So next one we have discussed, plain as a paste as a plain text, paste from Word. And the next one is, this button says remove formatting. So if you want to remove the formatting of the text, you can simply select the text and click this button here. So now this sign mega says, what it does is, if you want to add a symbol to your content, you can just simply click this. First select the place where you want to add a tag, add a symbol. For example, we add after this paragraph here. Select the symbol. It will give you option which symbol you wanna add. So let's select this copyright symbol. Here you can see a copyright symbol has been added, right? So the next option is to indent your content. You can just, right now it's not indented at all, so you can't outdent it. To indent it, click this button here, so it will move the text to indent. It will indent the text, and to outdent it, select the text again and click this button back here, outdent. So the next one is undo and redo features. So if you have used words, it's pretty simple for you guys. So this is pretty much about the WYSIWYG editor. Now we update our file to see how it looks like at the front. Right now, so when we update our backend post, go to front end, refresh it. Now you can see all the text in the post. Here you have, this is a heading 3 text we have put in front of this paragraph. This is a link. So this is a symbol here, the colored word. So if you go to our home, you can see here after our intro text, right, you can see this continue reading button here. This is a page break I was talking about in this section. So when we click this button, it will take our viewers or users to the article. So that's pretty much about the WYSIWYG editor. So check out my next video to know how we can add media into our WordPress.com post. Thank you.